I'm Satya. I'm from Zapstage, and this is Anand. So I know you guys are all bored with cloud, but I think you have to live with it for today, probably. So we're a cloud data integration platform. Sorry for the word again, cloud. So what the problem we are solving is, in today's cloud-enabled world, a lot of companies, they use 5 to 8 different types of SaaS business apps. So they use a CRM app, something like a Zoho or a Sugar CRM. There's a SaaS app for e-commerce, maybe Shopify, Magento, Zeppo, CartRocket. There's one for finance, like QuickBooks by Intuit, and Helpdesk, Freshdesk also, right? So a company typically uses like 5 to 8 for their day-to-day activities, and what's the problem here, right? So the data resides in these respective clouds, and it's pretty disconnected, right? So the business managers, they want for various operational reasons and data transfer reasons, they want to continuously integrate and migrate data between these applications. But pulling and pushing data out of these applications is not easy unless you have some robust API developers with you or you have a very good technology team. It's not easy to pull and push data. Basically, you can't make these two applications to talk to each other out of the box, right? So let's take an example. Let's say we have an e-commerce store called mystore.com. So we are a company running mystore.com, right? And our e-commerce is hosted on Shopify. And we're using Freshdesk for our customer support. We're using QuickBooks for our accounting application and Unicommerce for our order and inventory management. So all of these are cloud applications which are basically SaaS businesses. The data is residing amongst them. So let's say you got a lot of orders, you want to raise sales receipts, invoices. So you keep transferring a lot of accounting and finance data between Shopify and QuickBooks on a day-to-day basis, right? So similarly between Unicommerce, like inventory, order status, fulfillment, etc. And you want to help your customers, you raise support tickets, you talk to them, you pull data from orders, you pull data from Shopify, etc. Right? So let's imagine we're doing 50 orders a day and we have like 3 different teams, finance, operations, business, fulfillment, who are using 3 to 4 different applications, and they're continuously spending time and money in transferring data, right? It's pretty chaotic to do it manually and to do it in a pretty disconnected fashion, right? So who are the folks who have these problems? We're talking about predominantly SMB companies, which probably belong to one of these verticals and more. So you have an SMB company from e-commerce, B2B sales, marketing services, etc. Right? So how are these guys solving the problems today, right? What are the alternatives? So they can do manual data entry. We all know it's time consuming, cumbersome, and it's pretty much error prone, right? So you do export import or copy paste, or you can do custom coding. Basically, if you have some rockstar developers who can build you very good, robust platform internally, but yeah, we all know it's rocket science first to hire them and then get the work done from them, right? The third alternative is, yeah, you can outsource your data integration project completely to an IT services company. Pretty expensive, and you need to deal with your vendor management overheads as well, right? So that's where Zapstage is a faster and better solution. Sorry about the logo, I think you're not able to realize it. So this is where Zapstage is. We bidirectionally transfer data between these applications. We have a very simple, out-of-the-box, browser-based application. No installation, no download, no stuff. We support data pull and push from both source and target. So let's do a small demo. Yeah. In this demo, we are integrating Shopify, an e-commerce cart, with QuickBooks, which is an accounting application, right? So for today, we'll integrate the products from Shopify to QuickBooks. These are very simple settings like sales tax code, sales income, etc. Pretty much standard stuff. So you save your settings. Now this is my Shopify admin panel, right? We have two products, Levi's Jeans and Tommy. So Levi's Jeans is a 30-inch, 32-inch, and a 34-inch. Just three variants of that product, right? And for Tommy jacket, we have three color variants, which is red, black, and green. So these are the three color variants we have. Sorry about the color resolution. Okay, let's go and see what we have on the QuickBooks side, right? On QuickBooks side, this is pretty much empty products. We have two dummy products, ours and sales. There's no, basically it's a clean slate. Okay, this is the AppStitch dashboard. You chose products to select, right? And then you pressed a sync. The gray color notification is just saying we're processing data in the backend. We're basically pulling products, variants from Shopify, and we're loading it into QuickBooks, right? So now the sync activity says products, 8 products they are added, right? Let's go and check if QuickBooks got them. Yeah, so looks like we have Levi's Jeans, all the 30, 32, 34. So all the variants came out of the QuickBooks. So it's that easy. Basically, you can choose whatever data you want, whatever settings you want, and run integration in under 5 minutes, right? So what are the benefits? No IT skills required, no coding, no programming. So you define your integrations once, right? And you set and forget it. We have the scheduler running in the backend. We'll pick data every 5 minutes or based on an event, and we'll keep populating data from your source app to your target app. SaaS pay, pay as you use. We don't store any login credentials, passwords. As you all know, it's OAuth tokens, third-party logins. By the way, we also don't store any of the business data. We just process data from the source to the target. So there's no intermediate data mart or data storage we are maintaining at our end. Where are we today? We have integrated 4 SaaS apps, Magento, Shopify, QuickBooks, and Freshdesk. 3 customers, one in US, one in Australia, and one in Mumbai. Actively building partnerships with ISV firms and raising a small seed round. So next time when you think of integrating 2 business apps on the cloud, probably reach out to us and we'll help you. Thank you.